Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the 80-20th rule in nutrition, also known as the Pareto principle. This principle suggests that 80% of your health and wellness goals can be achieved by eating a healthy diet 80% of the time, while allowing for indulgences 20% of the time. This approach allows for flexibility and helps prevent feelings of deprivation, making it a sustainable way to eat healthily. Let's dive deeper into what the 80-20th rule means for your diet. If you eat 3 meals a day, that equates to 21 meals a week. If you follow the 80-20th rule, you would eat healthy, nutritious meals for 17 of those meals, 80%, and allow yourself to indulge in your favorite treats or less nutritious foods for the remaining 4 meals, 20%. This means you can still enjoy your favorite foods without feeling guilty, which can help you stick to a healthy eating pattern in the long term. It's important to note that the 80-20th rule isn't an excuse to eat junk food for 20% of your meals. The goal is to make healthy food choices most of the time and allow for occasional indulgences. This way, you can still get all the necessary nutrients your body needs while enjoying the foods you love in moderation. The 80-20th rule is a flexible approach to healthy eating that allows you to tailor it to your individual needs and preferences. You can adjust the percentages to suit your lifestyle and goals. For example, if you're trying to lose weight or have specific health concerns, you may want to follow the 80-20th rule more strictly. One of the benefits of the 80-20th rule is that it helps prevent feelings of deprivation and restriction that can often lead to binge eating or giving up on healthy eating habits altogether. By allowing for occasional indulgences, you're less likely to feel like you're missing out, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating pattern in the long term. The 80-20th rule is a great way to approach healthy eating without feeling like you're on a strict diet. It's a balanced approach that allows you to enjoy your favorite foods while still making healthy choices most of the time. Plus, it can help you establish a sustainable healthy eating pattern, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight and overall wellness. That's it for today's video on the 80-20th rule in nutrition. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Have you tried the 80-20th rule in your diet? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who are looking for a sustainable approach to healthy eating.